Treat yourself to a test drive in the 2021 Honda Accord Hybrid. This four-door, five-passenger sedan is ready to drive off the showroom floor. It features a continuously variable transmission, front-wheel drive, and a 2-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, power moonroof, lane departure warning, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 8 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.